Hi, I am Joy, and there's always joy in cooking. Today, we will make something very exciting and really easy to prepare cake, and that is Maya's banana cake. This is oven toaster banana cake. So, of course, because it is banana cake, we need mashed bananas. About a cup of this, and then we need 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 3/4 cup water, and then I just want to just this up, no, para madulain naman. I have some cherries here. I have some pecan nuts, and I have some chocolate chips. And then I have greased and put parchment paper into our tiny, tiny, teeny, weeny baking pan. No? Okay, so let us start. Let us now open our banana cake. Okay, thank you, Maya, for this tarang, pouch. Ay, kajutay. No? So it is little recipe for for little people. Wait lang. Okay. So, Maya is really versatile. They now have so many varieties, variants of the usual pancake that we grew up with. Next, I'll just add everything. I'll add the egg. Tick. No bitter needed. But, you know, you can use this, you can cook this over steamer, or if not, oven, or if not, toaster. And then we'll just add eggs, and then the mashed banana. I use about 4 little bananas. And then there. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, so very easy to prepare. Pero I just want to dress this up with some of the things that we have there. Back there. Back there. Pero hindi mo kuha ngayon makambal pantry. Samon nga ba? Ula. Okay, oh, there. Oh, hapos-hapos, oh, look. Hapos-hapos. And then, from our baul, I will add tarang. And then from our baul, I will add tarang. Also, from our baul, I do not know kung namo ginikadamo atong butang. Sige na, go. Okay. Then, amo lang na. Go, there. So, I just have pecans, banana cake with pecans, chocolate chips, and candied cherries. Tarang. No, makita niyo pang buli sa ako ang baking pan. You know, this baking pan is older than you. Ay, baking pan. No, no, no. This mixing bowl. Ang una yung mga mixing bowl, there are no ends. It has to be plain like this. No, wala sa ano na, tinabuan or no, um, how do you say that? I do not know how to say it in English. There are no, uh, like this one, no? You see this one? There is some edges here that is, but the baking pan should be clean. There are no folds whatsoever. Before that, they will pagpag muna. Yeah. Now, this is ready for the oven. See you. So, this is our banana cake. Look. it has browned and then the crust is quite firm. Ay. So what I'll do is I have here prepared some whipped cream with cream cheese. I I have prepared, and then we will garnish this with whipped cream and this one. Oh, so dali lang gid ha. Okay. I am using star tip. I am using star tip. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I will put quick. Yan, di ba? Looks so nice. Hmm. This whipped cream, I have whipped also the, ay, ala, nabilog, cream cheese. Okay, so dali lang. Here, you see? Mm. Yan. There, so beautiful. Wala piti wala. Gambang box cake ini and banana cake at that. Mama. Okay, so this is our banana cake with ting-aling-aling. So, we will try it. Nanantawon tabi kung ano ini siya. Ooh, good luck. Nantawo na naton kung ano ni siya. So, naturally, I will slice one dollop of cream. I will slice. Dre lang ko basta. Amo lang ni kadutay ako kaunon. Amo lang ni, amo lang ni kadutay ako kaunon. Look here. You see, there are nuts and chocolate chips and cherry. And then, I will never allow nga wala siya whipped cream. Whipped cream and, see, oh, Dason will put some cherry. Wow. And then, let's eat. Damit. Ay, hala, kalaguba. Ay, hala. Ay, hala. Ready, get set, go. My mouth is full. Namit. Namit ka dyan. Thank you for watching. Bye.